Hi, this is Group 5 composed of Osman Kanu, Fabrice Mohir, Dennis Smith, Cyrus Ndawa, and this is a software in-depth presentation about NolaPro Cloud Accounting software. This software was developed by Noguska LLC since 1973. NolaPro Cloud Accounting is a web-based standalone business management application software with complete logistical functions in the following areas. Complete accounting, management of client, vendor information with regards to billing, payables, ledger, and a robust payroll system. Full set of inventory management functionalities. This is inclusive of tracking ability and maintenance of client, vendor, and supply chain partner contact information. Dynamic order management system that keep track of all purchases and payment and other vendor logistical support related to purchases. Email and administrative support system for the management of communication and supporting other systems listed above. Highly suitable for small or mid-sized companies because of dynamic capability to be fully customizable to fit any business model. Fully customizable to fit the size and structure of your business or business model like MTC, MTO, or ETO. Easily integrated with Linux and Windows PC users and other supply chain software for efficient management and interaction with other supply partners. How is NolaPro being distributed? The distribution of the software is done through a highly structured network of partners, organized as a franchise type of deal, and they're situated all over the world. Marketing and sales are done both through the corporate company and through this network of partners. They can easily search through the NolaPro site by country location. Some common or notable partners are Smart Accountancy, Preferred Partners IMP, Wedding Room Solution, and so on. NolaPro is marketed online due to its web-based nature and free download capability for potential users to try the application and its embedded functionality before the purchase of the software. NolaPro is marketed to small and mid-sized business owners or companies depending on the logistical business needs of these companies. The easy install ability of the software on both Linux and Windows-based PC makes users' terminals being completely platform independent by using a browser interface. The software is housed on the web with demo versions that is easily integrated and customized to meet customer preference upon purchase. The founding company of NolaPro is Noguska LLC. Noguska LLC started in Fostoria, Ohio in 1973 as a partnership between Kathleen Howard and Norman Gibbard. The business was formed to repair and service typesetting and printing equipment. By 1976, however, they had become serious about their offbeat computer hobby by researching the few tech magazines that existed back then. Miss Howard and Miss Gibbard were poised to take advantage of this technology, since their own skills were in engineering and electronics. By the mid-80s, Noguska had grown from one of the Northwest Ohio first computer stores into a fully serviced software, hardware, and networking business, inking multi-year contracts with companies such as Betro and Xerox. The company continued to evolve through the era of DOS into Windows and eventually Linux to become one of the leading independent development and IT consulting firms in the country. With an impeccable track record of service and quality, Noguska is proud to offer its 30-plus years of experience to clients worldwide. As a pioneer in new technology, Noguska leads the field in web-based business application for both the Linux and Windows platform, and NolaPro Cloud Accounting web-based software is one of its most critical acclaimed business management software packages. It runs on almost any platform, and the full robust package doesn't cost a dime. It is highly customizable to fit any business as per client request or preference, and the future wave of web-based make NolaPro a perfect fit. The functional details of software application. NolaPro Cloud Accounting is a powerful and intuitive software tool with impressive features. It is suited for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems, and is easily integrated with other web applications or in-house developments. It can be used for multi-business purposes and can be obtained at an affordable rate. NolaPro Security maintains full user access control, uses SSL, site security, protected nightly backup, validate double entry accounting posting, and uses government level 236-bit encryption. Here are software functional logistic features. Contacts. This feature handles the management, storage, and retrieval of contact information for customers, employees, sales personnel, and vendors. The integrated customer relationship management (CRM) features are still under development and will be coming soon. The build-up of this function is part of the SCORM process P1. Orders. The functionality handles the purchasing order process aspect of the system with regards to paying bills, processing and tracking code requests, service orders, track labor, validating availability of inventory, track history of all transactions, and audit trails. This function straddles SCORM P2 plant source C1 source type product. The point of sale POS functionality and the business-to-business web portal are not yet fully developed. Inventory. NolaPro Cloud accounting software tracks inventory for your business using barcode support technology and stores your inventory item by categories. It allows for physical inventory validation, has price level support functionality, and a couple others like BOMs and RMAs. Billing. As part of the core accounting system function, NolaPro pinning function handles the management of the business cash, payment of bills, and other expenditures, credit card payment and auto payment plan for invoices, credit level management, tracks inflow and outflow of cash, and management of multiple checking accounts, and some aspect of general ledger task. Payables. Processes and handles account payables and receivables relating to vendors' transaction, and handles entering of outstanding balance by vendor and generates statements on a periodical basis. Logistical features continues. Payroll. This functionality of NolaPro handles full payroll check processing, direct deposit support, W-2 and 941 forms, tax table, electronic filing, and other payroll responsibilities with the exception of employee review, which is under development. Ledger. General ledger posting extracts some financial reports and has the ability to double check and validate the authenticity of the double entry accounting transactions posted. Tools. This functionality handles database related type processes like import queries for ad hoc reports or data validation. Admin. This is where the main information of the company is recorded and maintained, and where the administrator sets all the access control for the users, both internal employees and external vendors, clients, and other supply chain partners. This is also the platform where all the setups for other functions are done. Reports. The platform contains standard and customized reports for all the main functions logistics stated above. Help. This platform provides user guides, tutorials, quick reference guides, support information, and other logistical information on new innovations or features to come. As outlined in the marketing materials, the specification of NolaPro functions and its utility match the set of functions and features we as a group observed in the demo version. Group 5 thought the demo was very easy to set up. The user interface is neat looking. It takes a couple minutes to install the software. After the download, it opens up a setup to-do list for users to follow when setting up their accounts. While the software is being set up, data can be imported with simple instruction. NolaPro software demo only runs on Internet Explorer. Once signed in, a user can navigate through NolaPro interface and go through drop-down menus and other links. NolaPro is free and self-hosted. NolaPro can impress and attract many potential clients of the vendor in many ways. NolaPro is an excellent free accounting answer to businesses having accounting problems. All the standard accounting features are given for free, and it supports up to 5,000 users within a business. Clients can customize the features of the software for their individual company to improve their performance and uptime. Although it can take a while to learn all the features of the software, NolaPro has excellent support staff that will answer questions users have in a time frame. There's also free accounting software on the internet, but NolaPro has the most available features by far. While plugins and add-ons are extra, they're only one-time fee and are worth to take a look at. When clients navigate through reports, they can clearly see the number of options available to fully customize the software to their own needs. NolaPro combines accounting and CRM feature into one application, so clients could save a lot of time not having to copy and paste information between applications. Design orientation of NolaPro with regards to inventory and transaction. In the inventory and ordering system, a company can track all their warehouse items. When a company does the initial setup, they can add multiple warehouse locations and track their goods through any of them. The inventory module allows companies to define their own categories of their goods, and of course there are numerous reports to show the activity for each of these items. Once companies set up items in the inventory, they can add them to customer orders in the order module. Pricing and description are all gathered from the item description in the inventory module. Once a company got the order entered, they can ship it from the same screen. NolaPro will create PDF versions for parking lists and shipping labels. A company can invoice based on the order information. All this information will be sent to the billing module where statements will be generated, payments plans will be set up, and numerous reports will be created. NolaPro is promoted on the basis of its capability for integration with other supply chain software packages. Data can be exchanged between NolaPro software and QuickBooks software. In addition, it is easily integrated with Linux and Windows PC users. Any supply chain dealing with tracking inventory level in layer of production, one that maintains customer contact information for distributive purposes, especially when the sales and marketing for this production is done on a network or franchise called partners. Supply chain benefits provided by NolaPro. There are many supply chain improvement benefits provided by the functions and features of NolaPro software. Crystalline Incorporated, a professional IT company, benefited a lot from implementing NolaPro software. With NolaPro inventory capabilities, it was easy for them to manage their multiple departments in different locations. They replaced QuickBooks, which was handling all their accounting and finance reports, with NolaPro. The software enabled them to monitor the status of orders in different locations. It enabled them to have an effective tracking and management of orders from the time the customer order came in to the time the order was finished and the customer was notified. NolaPro provides Crystalline Incorporated with real-time information regarding their inventory levels, orders, and employee information. Since NolaPro is web-based, Crystalline staff can have secure access to company data while away from the office. This enables them to be efficient, improve their performance, and save money. Crystalline Incorporated has reduced administrative costs by $40,000 because orders are sent electronically now. Stan Larson is a business owner who was in search of a software solution that would fit the needs of his business. He was previously using QuickBooks for his accounting, financials, and reports. In a review that he wrote, he said QuickBooks is a popular entry-level accounting software that will fit the needs for most small businesses situation. He did run into some problems with QuickBooks though, and went on to describe the lack of capabilities when a company grows larger and needs for the program to allow multiple user access. Another problem was integrating QuickBooks with other software applications that the company used, such as inventory management and order entry. He then went out searching for a more scalable entry-level accounting package and came across NolaPro, web-based accounting software. One benefit that NolaPro provided Stan was that the solution was web-based, which allowed multiple user access with most common internet browsers. This allowed for an unlimited number of access options for users to retrieve necessary data. Another benefit to the software was smoothly flowing integrate process, and Stan decided to install the software on a company server, which was made very easy to install and kept the implementation cost minimal. The biggest overlooked feature the firms were not using was the optional add-ons that NolaPro offers. One feature is Employee Time Clock, which provides employees with a punching point that records hours worked and provides administrators a report payroll module. The time clock feature also allows employees with the time tracking capabilities so they can keep track of their time worked. It will also automatically detect the shift work and overtime pay and produce figures that administrators can edit before passing through the payroll. Another overlooked feature with NolaPro is NolaPrint. NolaPrint is a complete print experience web-based solution. It is a cost-based system that will cater to the needs of organizations that need to accurately account for their expenses, and it is highly configurable. This option is also capable for full integrated in NolaPro accounting software. Benefits to match score model. The Customer Relationship Management feature CRM matched the score model process of P1. Auto module match the score model P2 planned source and C1 source stock product. Enhancement of NolaPro in the future. NolaPro could be better optimized if the source code was made available. All the scripts within the software are encrypted and use an optimizer software to execute the program. This was a comment from a review that was posted about a user that was very pleased with the product. NolaPro could also offer an off-the-shelf product for users that decide they want to host the data standalone. This will allow Nogusco LLC to provide access to this solution to more clientele that run small businesses are in search of a full-blown software solution for their organization. Another enhancement of NolaPro in the future is to have planning and scheduling module features under the inventory module. Lastly is to have security management module with many options for companies to choose from to protect their data. Functions and features that NolaPro needs in the future. Customer issue resolution and maintenance. Are there different groups of potential customers to whom this software application could be marketed? I think NolaPro accounting can be used in a factory you set it in, controlling the movement and storage space of goods within the factory. The inventory functionalities, order management of NolaPro warehouse includes the course of action of moving inventory to the warehouse and delivering it to its final destination. I think NolaPro can be used in a warehouse environment. It may allow customers to get a real-time view of inventory within their pipeline. Information concerning the movement, location of the inventory in the warehouse is updated in the central database, allowing customers to view the inventory quantities, what was sold, and what is needed. This enables you to implement a just-in-time inventory strategy to maintain an efficient supply of goods. We also reduce the cost of storing excess goods for long periods and increase customer satisfaction by having inventory when customers need it. For the vendor to get appropriate user feedback to cycle back into the design process for the next update of NolaPro, they should speak with the company staff that use NolaPro on a daily basis. During our research, we didn't find any other software application that this vendor could develop to sell to the same market segment. This is the data source we use to find information about NolaPro and also other users that use NolaPro accounting software to their business needs. We felt that these sources were credible, that's why we used them, and they were very helpful to find all the information we needed to accomplish this whole project. While conducting this research, Group 5 learned a lot of lessons, as every member of Group 5 had a chance to play with NolaPro software demo to understand the features and functions it has. We also learned that NolaPro can be customized to assist the companies in the following. You can create warehouse receipts quickly with changes automatically calculated. You can arrange pickup and release for items, perform inventory counts easily, can give customers 24-hour access to their inventory information, can provide services to meet planned or actual demand, typically including order management, transportation management, and distribution management. Customize documents, reports, and fields for the fine-tuning to suit the unique design of your operation.